Welcome to Cell to Singularity. It said this is a simulation game of evolution, and I needed to accept that. Alright, let's see what's happening. Looks like Earth in the beginning. Looks like we're getting some atmosphere, maybe? Let's click here, I'm guessing. This is an auto-clicker game. Alright, got use entropy to build a homestar planet Earth. Tap to buy. Okay. Planet Earth. Earth provides a mixture of chemicals, an abundance of water, and atmosphere that's perfect for I can't speak. Why can't I say Nope. Developing life. That's close enough. And then the moon is gained per tap. Gravitational forces exerted by the moon and sun, and the rotation of the Earth turns the tides of the ancient oceans to advance life. And then this is primordial soup, a solution rich in organic compounds believed to be set in set in the right conditions for life. I got some primordial soup. Okay. You can drag around the tech tree of life. Alright. Now we got amino acids, which are atoms and molecules bonded together to create raw materials of life, and nucleotides are the chemical compounds that build up the foundation for DNA. Ooh, what's this? I don't know what. Ah, that costs money. But not, that's just skipping. Alright, so we got all of that. Now let's get 15 for amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of life. Life created amino acids. Is that now more than every life you earn will every life you buy earns more background entropy production. So I could buy multiple of those. That's the research. Let's go check out. Hey, it's not on fire. Hey, and we can control it. Nice. Can we control the sun? Nah. Let's see. What sound on? Yeah. This is not a bad game. Alright, so no. What's this? Boost income for 30 minutes. Okay. So let's get this up to, let's go to our research tree because this is kind of cool. It's amino acids do 0.05 per second. So this is just going to be tons of clicking for the first episode. Nucleotides. Let's buy that. Ooh, let's see. Here's protein. DNA is 100% more efficient. The building blocks of living cells, proteins, are molecules made from long chains of amino acids. Is your DNA and RNA. So the DNA is a molecule with a unique property of self-replicating. DNA, infinite configurations form the foundation of all evolutionary changes. There we go. And RNA. Messengers of genetic code. RNA is responsible for transferring genetic code from the nucleus to ribosomes to make proteins. I can maybe buy those. Okay, time to get on my clicking game. Ooh, it's giving me 2. You know what? I'm gonna get my moon. So it's just 240. I hope my mouse is not too loud. I got the moon. The moon was born when a Mars-sized object hits the young Earth. I might have missed that, but shh. Let's go to our world. Hey, we got the moon. I can't play with the moon, but I can. Ooh, it's harder to play with this now because of. That's the. No. Alright. So, next, let's go check this out. I'm gonna buy. Protein? That's what's. Protein. Nah, let's buy some DNA. Produces 0.51 per second. Got some DNA. Life created DNA. I could use that, but can't do that because I have no monies. Okay, let's buy some protein. Oh, what's the... Ooh, okay. We still got RNA, and then now we have prokaryotic cell. The first living organism. These unicellular organisms paved the way for the rest of life to begin. And then there's plasma membranes. The plasma membrane protects the interior of the cell from the environment. So this is basically just like a cookie clicker game. That's what's... So once we get, I don't know, 600, let's buy some RNA. Amino acids 300% more efficient. And then, alright. Does this lock that? Nope. Okay. Now I should buy some more. Ooh. I just got volcanoes. Does it cost more to upgrade? 26. Yeah, it does. Let's buy some plasmic membrane to make the DNA more efficient. Ooh. So that's 800. Then volcano. 850. Looks like volcano has something else after it. Anything else down here? Amino also has something else after it. Alright. And then there's 850. We got volcanoes, but this is probably actually a better thing right now. Actually, how much do... I have 3 DNA and DNA. Oh, it's right here. So that's DNA is better. So let's buy the plasma membranes. There we go. And now let's see at a thing. We made 8.6 per second, and I can buy some more DNA. Oh, I have it. Oh, you can rotate it. Can you go up and down now? But rotating. Alright. So let's see. Okay, we got 600. Let's go to a little Earth boy. Let's go to a tech tree. We can buy some more DNA. I could buy a volcano. I know, bad idea, but I'm buying the volcano. Carbon dioxide that volcanoes produce warms up the Earth and was a major catalyst in making Earth habitable. I can get the ozone layer in 65k. I'm not. That's gonna be later in this game. Actually, first let's. Is that? How many do I need for this? I don't know, but let's buy the whatever this name is. So, ooh, beginnings. The first signs of life bubbled up in the primordial soup. Prokaryotic cell. I don't know how to say that word. I hope you do, because I don't. Alright. What's this? Ah. Oh. I'm ready in an hour. Whatever that means. Oh, I think it's saying I should get some, what's it called? Ooh, achievements. Beginnings. Evolve first living organism. Prokaryotes have high metabolism and growth rates, leading them not to only be the first organism on Earth, but the most prolific. Alright. Let's... Ooh, I can get the mitochondria. You know what? I have tons of money, so let's just get this. DNA more efficient. Mitosis. And let's buy a virus. Let's now check a... Can I zoom out? Yes, I can. Yeah. Bacteria, DNA, unicellular microorganism that has cell walls, but none of these organelles make up multi-cell organisms. Okay, so that's making DNA more efficient. Mitosis, which I just bought. Entity types, plus 14. The ability of cells to divide into more similar cells, the process which more would help single organisms multiply. Got the virus, a biological agent that replicates within other cells. Surprisingly, if it were not for the virus ability to infiltrate DNA of organisms, humans may not even exist. So viruses saved us. Nucleus makes the prokaryotic cells 50% more efficient, and then we have a cell's control center. It contains the chromosomes that house DNA. And then the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are organelle that converts glucose into energy. I don't know what that word means, but I have 3k, so let's buy some uric cells. Let's buy one. Ooh. Eukaryotic cell. Life created. Let's buy some of these and some of these. Okay. Hey, now it's at least making 100 per thing. Alright, we got things building up. Now let's go to this. Anything new on planet Earth? Doesn't look like it. Now let's go to a tree. Oh, 15. How many do I need for this? I might need the ozone layer for that, which is really far away. Alright. The things that, let's see. Cytoplasm. All materials that are contained inside of a cell membrane except for the nucleus. Tissue. A group of cells that come together. Let's see. I had to get to the bathroom, so let's see. Tissues. Groups of cells that come together and specialize to achieve a specific function. Filter feeding. Eukaryotic cells 50% more efficient. A passive way to find way of finding nourishment involving having nutrients filtered through the organism body. The feeding method of choice for clams, quills, and sponges. Asexual reproduction, similar to mitosis. Asexual reproduction is the process where a entire organism is produced from a single parent. And yeah, since this is basically a clicker game, now I have this much. So let's just buy some eukaryotic cells. Buy some more amino acids. Let's buy some DNA. I don't know why it won't. It looks like it. If I do that, I don't know. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to double click. Okay, so when I reach 4K and 50, I mean 4.5K, we're gonna buy some tissue. Ooh, this is getting high up. Look at all this stuff. Muscles. That's 100K. Sponges are more efficient. I don't even have sponges. Fibrous tissues in an animal's body with the ability to contract, enabling them to move. Alright, and then the nervous system. Jellyfish getting more efficient. I don't even have this jellyfish. A system of cells that send stimuli through the body in forms of electrical pulses. Alright, let's buy some. I'm gonna buy some cytoplasm. Ooh. Daily mutation. Let's claim this. We got 4-8. Alright. So we said this already. Filter feeding. Let's buy this as well. Ooh, sponge. That's 10K. Does it show anything cooler in the Earth thing? Nah. But anyway. Let's see. I could do this, but I feel like that's cheating. Okay, I might have accidentally did it. Alright. Oh, what's this achievement? First amino acid. Create 25 amino acids. In 1806, French chemist Louis Nicolas Vauquelin and Pierre-Jean Lobiquet isolated a compound in asparagus that was subsequently named asparagine, the first amino acid to be discovered. Alright, there you go. Nice facts. So that means I should probably buy 25s of these. I gotta buy 37 of those. Oh wait, I have the. Let's go to tech tree. That's I have 1 million. Let's buy this ozone layer. 1% more. Okay, you got the ozone layer. I don't know how to get this though. Well, look at this. Let's buy 25 of these. So that probably gives us, yeah, gives us a thing. 25 of these. Okay, so we got that as well. And 25 of these. There we go. Now let's buy the asexual reproduction. And now sexual reproduction. An extremely long method of multiplication involving both mitosis and mitosis and mitosis.
Mitosis. It's mitosis.
Mitosis, combining genetic information from two individuals of different types or sexes to create a new organism. Let's buy that. Now let's as well buy some sponges. Got sponge. Ooh, one of the many. One becomes the many. The first multi-cell organism emerges. Ooh, sponge. I guess it's SpongeBob, me boy. Alright. Now, wait, I can buy jellyfish? Ah, I can buy jellyfish. Let's buy a jellyfish. Life leaves the ocean floors and begins to journey onward and upward. And it's gone through the ground. That's nice. My jellyfish has disappeared. Alright, now let's go to our tree. Do we see any? Oh, I see the atmosphere though. That's cool. Alright, we got that. Let's buy some mussels. Making the thing better. Let's buy a nervous system. Making jellyfish more efficient, and that makes sponge more efficient. Alright. Now let's read these. Swimming. The simple act of swimming gave many organisms the ability to move from one location to the other for the first time. Radical symmetry. Jellyfish are more effective. Did that say? Jellyfish are more effective. Okay. Organisms that can be divided into identical pieces is symmetry paves the way for organs such as the mammalian brain. I don't know what that is. I'm not that smart. Alright. Synacotites. One of the first organic weapons. These are explosive cells that fire out toxins, a toxic harpoon for self-defense and prey capture. Alright, let's buy 25 sponges. Ooh, cool. I can't buy anymore. So let's. Ooh. There we go. Alright. Why did I do that? I should have just bought coral, which is 100% more efficient. A marine invertebrate with the ability to develop a hard calcium carbonate exoskeleton. There we go. Let's buy some coral. That didn't change. I mean, maybe it did. Alright, let's go to our achievements. Onward and upward. As basic creatures develop the ability to swim, they leave the ground of the ocean floor and are able to explore new worlds, heading towards the surface. There we go. That's a create 25 amino acids. A dip in the gene pool. DNA or diatropic acid is the blueprint for all living things. Liquid acids, 25 proteochaic cells created. Contents of a proteochaic cell float within a liquid substance within the cell due to the lack of a nuclear membrane. Powerhouse of the cell. 25 eukaryotic cells created. Eukaryotic cells contain organelles including the nucleus, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Did you know that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell? Alright, now let's buy some more jellyfish. Sure. Got 1.2. Oh, I have 1.2 mil. Let me buy all this. Let's buy 25 sponge. I can't buy 25. Okay. It's 92. Alright. So that's that. Alright. Let's buy this radical symmetry. Alright. Gave me nothing. It looks like I need the flatworm in well. Alright. How many? That's a lot. It's making how much per second? Like it's making 7.1 thousand per second. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, let's buy some Cinder Knights. Jellyfish are 24. I mean, 100 more ineffective. There we go. Now it's 9.2k. Nice. I don't know if I want to do. I'll get swimming first because that makes it more money. Alright, and swimming. That doesn't branch off to anything though. But, alright. Get all that. Everything down here is complete except this. I don't even know how to get this. I might need to get 100 or something. You know what? 50. I got that. 5.3. Oh, that's not that much. Alright, we got the polypeptides. Amino acids do 50% more effective. When amino acids bond together, they create a chain that becomes an integral building block in creating proteins. Alright. So that means I'm probably gonna have to get 50 of these. Let's just go get 50 of these. Oh, let's go get this achievement. Alright. A complete protein or whole protein is a food source of protein that contains an adequate proportion of each of the 9 essential amino acids necessary in the human diet. There you go. And let's buy, since we got that, let's buy 2 of you. And let's get this. Unzip your genes. Every human shares about 99% of their DNA with every other human. So, that's nice. Oh, those chromosomes. And there's the pilo. Let's get this pilo. Where? Yeah, I'll get the pilo things first. Now let's read the chromosomes. Molecules containing part of the organism, genetic material of the organisms. Alright, let's go finish this one off. 2. The sponge. Sponges do not have digestive or circulatory systems. Instead, they mostly meaning constant water through the bodies to obtain food and oxygen, and to remove wastes. When someone just calls you a sponge, and not calling. Wait, it's called squishy. Nice. Should I buy that? 50% more efficient. Let's see, how much do you make right now? Only 2. That'd make you have 300. And I must be done everything down here. But let's continue. Let's go get flatworm. Actually, how many? Wrong one. This. I can buy 14. Let's just buy. Let's get this to 25. Alright. If I buy 14 from 7. Anyway. Here's your flatworm. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that thing of jellyfish. Flatworm. Did I read the thing for a flatworm? Is there a... Alright, the game has saved. Nice. This is a... yes. The provertebrate the first organism with a bilateral symmetry which enables the beginnings of the brain and internal organs. Ooh, a cocoon. Do I want to make a cocoon, vertebrates, or bilateral symmetry? Flatworm more effective, and plus 125 for tap. Okay. Let's see. And has the world changed at all? No. But we got a new state. Explosion. Look at all that. Jellyfish. Look at all these things. Alright. Let's buy. Let's get to 25 jellyfish. So let's go here. And let's click. Actually, I probably should have bought one of these. Actually, yeah. Let's buy the cocoon. Fertilized eggs encased in a cocoon within a flatworm's body. The cocoon is released into the ocean's waters. The cocoon provides nourishment to the egg, which will develop and later hatch. Flatworms are hermaphroditic, meaning they have both male and female reproductive components. Okay, there we go. Bought the cocoon. Now, since we got all this money, still not enough to buy 25 jellyfish. But let's buy some vertebrates. Unless, did I get this down here? That's way too much still. Alright, let's buy the vertebrae. Vertebrae are bones that protect the spinal cord. They are literally the backbone of human evolution. Yes, let's do nice puns. Nice puns. There we go. Okay. Alright, it's been 30 minutes about. Alright. See you in the next video. Peace. This has been Cell King. Alright. Goodbye.